Arctic sea ice reflects about 80% of the sun's heat, stabilizing the colder temperature of the ocean. Based on the latest satellite data cited in a December 2007 article, National Aeronautics and Space Administration climate scientist Jay Zwally predicts that nearly all the ice could be gone from the Arctic Ocean by the end of summer 2012. Arctic ice in September 2007 was 23% below previous record low from NASA satellite data and 50% below 1950 levels from ship data. Other records surpassed. Greenland surface ice loss is now 400% greater than 15 years ago. Surface temperatures in the Arctic are the highest in 77 years of record keeping. There is hope. According to James Hansen, top climate scientist at NASA, we have passed tipping points. We have not passed the point of no return. We can still roll things back, but it is going to require a quick turn in direction.
We have to save this planet so that we'll be able to stay first. Because if the ice all melt, if the pole all melt out, and then if the sea is warm, then the gas will be released from the ocean, and we all be poisoned by the gas from the ocean. It's a lot of gas, enough to kill everyone. If you see the Singapore lecture, I already warned that we have to change the way we live, otherwise it's too late. It's 10 or 15 years ago. Before that, I always talked about how we deforest our planet, meat eating and all that is contribute to a lot of damage to our planet, The scientists say many things. They're listening now, but I just hope they do it fast. They just take action. All the governments in the world really take it now seriously. It's just I'm worried the action might be too slow, that's all. Because the eyes are reflecting the sun, you see? So I send it back into the space. But the eyes are melting so fast now that there's not enough reflection, And because the sea is already warm. And because the sea warm, it melts the ice. And because the ice melt, the sea warmer. You see what I mean, the cycle? The way it is going, if they don't fix it, 4 or 5 years time, finito. No more. It's really that urgent.